It is impossible to see the procedures of security today in cities and airports, in every place in the world, because of the threat of crime and even terror. We in FST21 understood the challenge, developed the R&D team based on strong professionalism of our engineers, maybe the best in the US and in Israel, using face recognition, voice recognition, pattern of your behavior. All these are integrated in a very strong server that takes decision to open the door, to close the door. It is like an invisible doorman. Our intelligent humanized system will allow you to access and to enter differently to your house, to your office, in the airports, in the ports, in hospitals, in all other places. This will make the city to be a smart city, safer and more convenience. This is the future. No key, no cards, no codes. You are the key. This is the way to access building in the 21st century.